Hi Carrollton, it's Miss Uzinski again, and this go around we are going to learn how to access Clever. So I know a lot of you use Clever daily, and it's easy when we do it every day at school, but then when we say, now I have to log in from home, sometimes we need a reminder. So right now I'm going to show you how to access Clever. So I have a new browser opened. I'm using Firefox, and in the search bar, I'm going to type pgcps.org. So accessing from the PGCPS website is the easiest way to go in my opinion. If you know a quicker or easier way, go ahead and do that. I then click on Options, which is followed by Student Resources. Scroll down a bit and looky here, we have Log into Clever. Click on Log in with Active Directory. Type in your username and password. Notice how my username does not have @pgcps.org, and go ahead and click Sign In. You can now see my Clever page. Now on my page, I have some of my favorites listed at the top. I want to let you know that if you click the heart when you scroll down, it will make the application a favorite. So I highly suggest trying that. And then every time you log in, the apps that you access the most will be at the top of your screen. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Again, this is Miss Uzinski. Have a lovely day.